So right now we are just leaving home. There I'm a passenger princess. So I'm traveling with my brother as the driver. Then there's his wife at the back with the kids. Okay, so yeah. It's big like. So I will have to say this, South Africa's roads, they are well built, as you can see. But I'm also going to show you as you move out of the big cities how the roads may get a bit smaller, but they'll still be nice. Okay, so right now we're now in Limpopo province. I'll tell you this, I didn't know Limpopo connects to two countries like Zimbabwe and Botswana. So that either means Limpopo is very big or it's just too close to those cities, or those three countries that are just too close to each other. So now we have just approached Makopane town. It is simple and nice, but just smaller compared to the towns in Joburg. So this is the town which is very close to the border, the South Africa and Botswana border. Yeah, so what's up guys? So this is our first stop to get energy drinks and stuff. Finally we arrived at the border. Yo, it was packed with a lot of trucks. There was a lot of them. And I also have to say this border is not that big, it's also very small compared to the one in Beitbridge, the Beitbridge border post. So I have to say this, my experience with this border was great, especially the South African side. Just because like initially when we wanted our passport to be stamped, they kept shifting us from one area to another to getting the job done. Also they delayed, they would take maybe roughly 10 to 20 minutes just on one person. So yo, it was very good for me. Where is Nate today?
But it's remote. It's not like now I'm going to be.
Yeah. So we go to the Botswana side, and I have to say this, the whole process was smooth and very fast. And I also noticed one thing at the border, there are no vendors. What else? There were no people selling lines, things like that, comparing like to the Beitbridge border post, the way it would be so flooded with those people. Take me down. How many? Time, I don't think we need it. Yeah.
Mama, look at this one.
This thing is telling me 370 to blow eye. So if you are saying to numbers are not adding up.
Maybe this is Francistown.
Yeah, but that's Francistown.
This is Francistown.
Yeah.
From the border, there it was 270.
This is Francistown.
Yeah, it's written Francistown, yeah.
From the border, we haven't gone 270.
We haven't gone to see.
Which means it's still 4. This is still same arrow, Francistown.
This almost Palapai. Yeah, this is Palapai.
But we're gonna pass Francistown.
No way. No chance.
We're gonna pass it.
No chance of the 14. Can't do.
We pass Francistown.
Maybe we do. I can't remember.
Bafo! Ishayela le.
So finally we arrived to Francistown, and I think I'll just leave you guys to see how it looks like without the noise of my voice. Now we were leaving Francistown, and as we were moving out we could see a lot of speed games, which explains why cars here don't really speed compared to when you are in SA. Hey, also this rain now just started raining from nowhere, raining heavily. And guys, I want to say this, Botswana showed us flames. I don't know why there isn't a lot of garages there. We had to go back. I think maybe we're already at the border just to find out the garage which is there is not working. Then we had to go back maybe around 20 kilometers back or 30 just to look for this garage to get the fuel. But nonetheless, we made it back to the border, and this is the Botswana side. We're just getting it again. It's very simple, nothing much on this border. Very simple, but it gets the job done. So at this border now, the Botswana side, that's when a lot of problems began. We arrived at the border. There was a lot of people, guys. There was a lot of people. The line was moving, but there was just a lot of people. Also, when we were now about to get out of Botswana to Zimbabwe, that's when we had our next big problem, because they wanted money like for fine.
What?
So this is the Zimbabwean side border. This is how it looks. It's actually very big. I was also shocked. And guys, now I was just too tired. I won't lie. I no longer had power, and it was also at night now to keep on taking shots. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.